Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to change your margins from any view programmatically using Kotlin. It is pretty simple method and it's just a couple of lines of code. So let's get started. I have my activity in which is test fragment. Test fragment has only one button located at the top of the screen. As we can see, it is really close to the left and top corner. We will add some margin programmatically. So the first step we need to do is to get params from our, I set up a view binding here, from our test button. That is the ID of this button. And so test button dot layout params as view group margin layout params. You need to get the reference to the params. Here can be any view, and the next step we need to do is call params set margins, and as you can see, the first value is left, then top, then right, then bottom. We will change left and top margin. So let's say 12, 12, 0, 0. Right and bottom is 0 because we can't see the margin here. I will run this application one more time to see the changes. And as you can see, we set 12, but this is clearly not 12 dp. Like when we would write 12 dp margin inside XML, here there would be a bigger gap. So when we are changing margin programmatically, we need to supply these parameters in pixels. So 12 is dp. I will use my custom extension method. So 12 convert dp to pixels, and it just requires context. So I want margins of value 12 dp. However, when we are changing it programmatically, we need to supply it with pixel value. So when I run this one more time, we can see that now we have a real 12 dp margin set up programmatically. That's all you need to do. I will show you convert dp to pixels and pixels to dp methods in my next video. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye.